Express Prince, and I would like to welcome you to my latest tutorial. Now, if you're new to my channel, my name is Ivana, and my tutorials are all about Midjourney AI and also how to create images, what to do with them, and so much more. So if this is your jam, please like and subscribe and hit that notification button so that you never miss a video. Now, have you ever started a Midjourney project or any other AI text to image generator project with big dreams of making money, only to end up feeling lost, broke, and creatively burnt out? If so, then you are in the right place. Today, we're tackling 5 critical roadblocks stopping you from monetizing your AI art and giving you 5 practical strategies to get unstuck and start making your sales. And also, you are going to see some very bad acting in this tutorial, so let's get started. guys, there you have it, 5 pitfalls that stole your Midjourney side hustle and ways to get back on track. Remember, guys, the most important thing is not to get stuck trying to do what everyone else is doing. Focus on developing your own unique style, master your core tools, find your people on Etsy, and filter that community feedback. Now, this isn't about getting rich overnight, but it is absolutely possible to make money with Midjourney when you are mindful of these common traps. Don't stop creating, experimenting, and having fun with this fantastic tool. If you tackled any of the challenges we talked about, let me know in the comments. Let's celebrate your wins. And hey, if you found this helpful, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe for more AI art tips, and also hit that notification button. Thank you guys so much, and I am leaving you with key takeaway points from this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you so much. Bye bye.